So recently I've spoken about the 0 days to expiration options. Today the Qs, the 288s, are up 1,100%, 1,127% as of this recording. Went from 9 cents to I think $1.36 the last I saw it. There's 48,000. The volume is at 48,000. I believe that's 48,000 contracts basically have transacted with these 0 date options. They expire at the end of the day. Here's the thing. Yeah, you could jump into this, which I don't, it's not a recommendation or advice, but I wouldn't do it because you have a thing called theta. And theta works against you, and that is the decay element when it comes to options. Since these are trading within the day and they expire at the end of the day, we're going to hit a peak where theta kicks in and the decay on these options kicks in. And most likely it's after lunch. So be careful with these. What this is telling me is, Spotify announced they're laying people off. Really nothing great is happening fundamentally to support this market rally, which tells me a lot of this is manipulated by these 0 days to expiration options. So be careful. This is where we could see a bottoming in today's action, and when it comes to the Qs, or a topping in the Qs, and then a reversal into the close. Keep an eye on it. Unfortunately, I don't have any cash to deploy. I'm getting my butt kicked around right now, but I believe that we're going to start to see this market turn around, especially the Qs, and head backwards, downward. So keep an eye on it. Be careful. Risk manage. Remember, this is not advice or recommendation. Best of luck. Live loud.